What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before we start, I want to show you something real quick. Check this out, guys. We have two T800 stickers right here. The other one's in the pickup truck, but I'm gonna put on these two. I'm gonna be putting one of them right there where on top of the Hansen paper, and I'm gonna put one of them right there in that little window. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I feel like it's gonna look pretty good. But before, we're gonna be checking the truck, and my dad just put oil right now. I'm gonna go show you all that real quick. So here's my dad putting oil right now. I had to put a little bit of oil in the truck. Guys, and also I have a question. What is your opinion on the Detroit Diesel Series 60 12.7? I personally think it's a really good engine, but like when you're at a stoplight and you want to start off, like when you start going, it takes a little while for the truck, the engine to catch up to speed. But I feel like overall it's a really good engine. And also our engine, I think it's a 2002 model. Not that much of a new engine. Guys, I'm gonna be checking the tires right now because tomorrow my dad's gonna go to work. Looks like these are good on air. Now I'm gonna check the trailer ones. They're all pretty good. Check out the turbo, guys. Pretty good turbo. I love it. I love the sound it makes. But I feel like a PDI turbo would also be really nice. Guys, really nice cold start. And the truck, guys, I think I'm gonna end up putting a sticker right here. I'm gonna put it over there in the side corner right here. I think I'll end up putting it there. I was gonna put one over there, but my dad said no because it blocks a little bit of the vision. So I'm not gonna be putting it there. Also, a question, guys. What do you think about sleeper lights? The ones that go in the sleeper, at the bottom. What do you think about this? Please let me know. Check it out, guys. We put the first sticker on. It looks really, really good. Big shout out to GRtrucking&demolition. Thank you so much for sending me these stickers. They look really, really nice. And I'm gonna get on putting the other ones in a little bit. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. They look really good. This is how it looks, guys. Right up there looks really, really good. There it is, guys. It looks really, really good. Big shout out to GR. Really appreciate it. So we're putting this one right here, guys, because we have it's broken right there. Because like when I come to work with my dad, I put my shoes up here, my feet, and I accidentally cracked it. So we put it there so it would help. It's most likely gonna help. It's really good. Well, guys, we put on the last sticker and it looks pretty good. And we know how it looks.